What are the things that make you irritated or angry?
A lot. um, okay, I will tell you the number one thing, and you're going to think I'm so weird. Whenever I am sitting in my house and I hear my husband, for example, eating and he's chewing and I can hear it, I'm like, shut up. Like,
The
why are you
sound,
making
the
so
crazy
much
sound.
noise? Oh my gosh, this irritates me the most.
Hi.
Hello, you're late.
Oh, sorry, because of networking.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I forgive you. It's only 2 minutes. How
Okay.
are you doing?
Yeah, I'm great. And you?
Doing fabulous. I have my coffee, so
Oh.
I'm better now. I'm better now.
And I was waiting for you a long time because your schedule is filled.
I know, it's crazy. It's because I'm a college student, so I don't
Yes.
have a lot of time to teach
Okay.
on Cambly. And so the little amount of time that I have, it's like immediately everyone is like, oh, I want a lesson. I want a lesson.
Yes, yes. Yes. And you are
Unfortunately,
really great tutor and lovely tutor. So that's why all the students are waiting for you.
I appreciate it. If you've only seen me on YouTube, though, maybe it's a lie. I don't know. You'll have to judge for yourself.
Yeah, I hardly see you because yeah, just one day one of your video recommended, so that's why I see that. Oh wow, she's
Oh,
really
good.
intelligent.
Sometimes when I watch the videos on YouTube, I'm like, Rebecca, why did you say that? Oh, Rebecca, why did you do that? Because,
Good,
oh
good.
my God, it's terrible. Oh my gosh, I can't do it because it makes me nervous when I talk to students because I think too hard.
Oh, but looking you, I can't understand that you are very nervous.
I'm good at
You are quite
lying.
well, and you are quite well.
Well, thank you. Thank you. So tell me about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Indrajit, and I am from India, and I am studying engineering. The stream name is Electronics and Communication Engineering, and only one year to become graduate.
Also, you're smart. I see. I see. My husband is an engineer, and he's a different kind of engineer, but I've met so many engineers from different fields, and every time I hear about it, I'm like, wow, that's really difficult, and that's something I could never do. Not ever.
Oh, but you do medical. That is hardworking and studious because
It, that's what it is. You just have to remember a lot of things. That's all. You don't have to be smart. You just have to remember a lot.
exactly. I agree. I agree. I
It's
totally
great.
agree. And who do you
Okay.
live with?
Sorry.
Who do you live with?
I live with my husband and my cat. My very
Oh, you
cat.
are cat lover. Great. And I also
I like dogs better, but I
me
found this
me
cat.
too. Me too.
They're just so much better. They're so much better. They love you and they want to be your friend.
And also they
And
are very loyal to the masters.
exactly, exactly. Cats would probably like, yeah,
They are very
cats.
cozy. They are very cozy.
Yes, yes. This cat, I found him outside one day and he
Oh,
was always around my house and he was so cute. And I was like, okay, I have to rescue him. I have to bring him to my house. So I did. And I've
oh,
had him
I
for
see.
3 years now. So I was obligated. I had to do it.
Great, great. So you are really a doctor by heart also because you are born as to be a doctor, a good doctor.
I hope so. I hope so. One thing I need to learn is to be really patient because I think being a doctor requires a lot of patience, and I am not a patient person. So I need to learn how to be that way, and then I'll be set, and then I'll be ready.
Yes. Great, great. And you
So,
are, yeah, tell me.
no, go ahead.
And what are the things that make you happy beside your cats and husband and Camly?
Those are good questions. Um, I love anything outdoors. I love
Oh,
water. So we have this place in my city, and it's a trail where you can go walking or running or hiking or whatever. And it's right by this beautiful river. And it's my
oh,
favorite place to be. I love running. So I go running every day or every other day if I can. I love being outside, especially now. It's so cold, and I love the cold weather. Um,
wow.
Coffee makes me pretty happy.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Great, great.
And I will tell you something that I am most avid about is growing plants. I love growing plants. I
Yes.
used to have a hard time keeping them alive, but now I have plants all over my house.
Okay. And my uncle has a hobby of gardening.
Yeah, I bet he's good at it.
Yes, and he wants to spend his time in garden.
hmm Now I have to say I'm pretty bad at gardening. I don't know why. I don't know what is the difference. If the plants are inside, it's very easy for me to take care of them. But when I try to grow things outside, all of it dies. All of it.
Oh, great.
I don't know what it is.
And yeah, what are the things that make you irritated or angry?
A lot. um, okay, I will tell you the number one thing, and you're going to think I'm so weird. Whenever I am sitting in my house and I hear my husband, for example, eating and he's chewing and I can hear it, I'm like, shut up. Like,
The
why are you
sound,
making
the
so
crazy
much
sound.
noise? Gosh, this irritates me the most. What about you? What's something that irritates you the most?
Yeah, as I am animal lover, so that's why injustice and abusive of animals makes me hurt.
Yeah. Okay, that's a good answer. That's a better answer than me, I think.
No, 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 no.
That's a better answer. What about the opposite? What things make you happy? What hobbies do you have? What do you enjoy?
Yeah, I love painting.
Really?
Yeah,
I would never have guessed that ever. What kinds of things do you paint?
I love painting sceneries like
Mhm.
urban as well as rural,
Mhm. Yes.
and whatever something is wandering in my brain, and also whatever I can see.
Yeah.
So I just paint.
I wish I could do this. I always have ideas in my head, of course, but I could never execute them. If I tried to paint it, it would look terrible. It would not look anything like what was in my head. It would look absolutely terrible. So I admire
Actually,
you.
actually, I learned painting from an art school since childhood.
Really?
So that, and in this, during this hectic schedule, so I have to cut it. But I have a passion. Whenever I have free time, I used to paint, and also love to meet new people, and also chatting with new friends
Same.
and playing with friends.
Same. I love meeting new people. I love learning about different places because
Yeah.
ever since I've been on Cambly, I realized that I lived in a bubble and I didn't
Yes.
know a lot of things about other countries or other cultures. And I sound ignorant sometimes because I will say, "Oh, really? I had no idea." And it's such a little thing or an obvious thing, but I just love learning and hearing about different cultures.
Yes,
It's great.
exactly. And what is your favorite food?
I I
Oh, I see. I noticed you love popcorn.
yes. Oh my gosh. I
So you are for
I think
popcorn.
it's unhealthy how much I love popcorn because I literally eat popcorn like every day. I think it's
Oh,
unhealthy. I love it. It's amazing. I would have to say my favorite food is probably anything seafood related. I love shrimp. I love fish.
oh, wow.
I love sushi, all kinds of sushi. I like seafood. That's what I like, which really doesn't work for me very good because I live in the south of the US and it's very hard
Oh,
to buy seafood here. It's very, very difficult.
Oh, I see, I
unfortunately.
see.
What about you? What's your favorite food?
I love spicy food, and you know,
No. I am a baby when it comes to spicy food. I'm a baby.
I love biryani.
What?
I love biryani, the special food of in India.
Ah, you'll have to tell me about it. I don't know.
Oh, actually, it is a heavy food, and it is generally eaten in dinner or lunch,
Mhm,
and it is made with rice and also boiled chicken or mutton,
mhm, mhm. Okay. All right.
water.
Good. Sounds good. I honestly, this sounds probably very cliche and very ignorant. I'm totally unfamiliar with Indian cuisine. I don't know any of it except
Oh,
for like, so my dad loves making food from different countries. So one of my dad's
oh,
favorite foods to make is he makes some sort of chicken that's like bright red, like your shirt, but I don't know what it's called.
okay.
And then he makes a lot of curry. He makes so much curry.
Oh, curry.
Yeah.
Curry.
And
Curry is a famous
yeah,
food
yeah,
in
of course.
India.
Everyone knows.
Egg curry, chicken curry. Yeah, yeah,
And he makes
exactly.
it all the time and it tastes good, but I'm sure it doesn't compare to real curry.
Okay, okay, fine.
Have you ever?
And so,
Mhm. Go ahead. No,
yeah.
go ahead.
No, madam, continue, please.
Okay, I was going to ask you, have you ever traveled before?
Uh, Not outside my country, but outside my state, I have traveled,
Mhm.
and yeah, and you know that the seventh miracle of the world, that is Taj Mahal, is situated in India.
Yes, I have heard about this. This is something I do know. I
Oh,
do. Do you live close or far away?
no, it is far away. It is almost 2,000 kilometers away
India,
from my house.
I always forget, India is absolutely huge. There's
Yes.
so much difference in India, I have heard.
And India has diversity.
Exactly. That's what people have told me, that you can go to the north or you can go to the south and it's not the same. It's not the same.
Totally different. Totally different.
Where do you live
Their
in
culture.
India?
Yeah. I live in West Bengal. I live in eastern part of
Okay.
India, and my city name is Kolkata.
Okay. Okay. I never heard of it, but I will take your word for it. I will do some research later and learn about it. What is your favorite
Okay.
thing about where you live?
Uh, the favorite thing I live in, because it is my birthplace. So everything, every single piece of this land is related to my blood,
Yeah.
and I love playing here. I love spending my time here because I was born and brought up here, and also with my I love with I love playing with my friends here. So that's why I love everything about it. And what one of the things that I dislike little bit, that is the temperature, because
Not surprised.
because because when in summer it may cross 40 degree.
Oh my gosh. I thought it was
Yes.
bad here and it gets like 30 degrees or 35 degrees maybe at the worst.
Oh,
40?
but I 40.
I
Yeah,
would die.
exactly.
I would die. Let me show you. I'm so, like I said in the beginning, I'm so happy right now because, wait. Right now, it is, let's see, I don't even know. It is -3.
Oh,
And I love it so
oh, chill. Oh, that's the
Oh, I love
reason behind this beautiful laugh, beautiful
it.
smiling.
Yes, it's amazing. It's amazing. Of course, there's no snow, which is very annoying because I love snow, but it never snows here.
Oh, shit. So next time it will
I
snow.
hope so. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I would love
Yes.
that. That'd be wonderful. I assume that it does not snow in your area at all.
Oh
No,
no, no,
never.
madam. We are waiting. We are waiting forever.
Yes. Are there regions in India where it will snow?
No,
Not
no,
at all.
no. There is no way to have
I
snow.
kind of,
And madam, yeah. Yeah, madam, may I upload it on YouTube?
Okay, gotcha. Wait, what'd you say?
On YouTube, may I upload it
Yes,
on
of
YouTube?
course, absolutely. Thank you for
Okay,
asking.
okay.
I appreciate it. Some people don't ask, which is fine, but I really appreciate it that you asked. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
ma'am. And it was really lovely to meet you, and I definitely make another reservation
Sounds
with you
great.
and have a great
Have a
chat.
great day.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.